Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video we're going to be unboxing my Allure box for June 2020. Now before we get into it, I do want to let you know that I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is niminies.com. The link's in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Also, if you like this video while you're watching it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet subscribed and you would like to, subscribing is always appreciated. And if you have any comments while you're watching it, go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the Allure box. This is the one for June 2020. Like I said, I'm going to open it up very carefully because there's always a card in here, which I'm going to let fall, maybe. That is what the box looks like without the card. And we're going to go ahead and refer to the card as we go. Let's see if there is a theme. Okay, it says Brighter Days. Looks like that might be the theme. I don't know. Allure doesn't always have a theme. In fact, they might never have a theme. I don't know. Let's go ahead and start pulling the things out. First of all, I'm going to pull this out right here. This is from Purelisse. This is a cleanser, it looks like. And I'm not sure if that is going to focus. My camera sometimes gets a little bit finicky. If it can have any semblance of my face, it gets very frustrated with me. So, all right. So this is the Purelisse Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. It says, usually anything too fragrant or oil absorbing has big potential to dry out my sensitive skin. And yet I keep reaching for my watermelon and charcoal cleanser because it strikes the perfect balance between clarifying and soothing. You can see the pore vacuuming charcoal inside this black tinted gel when you squeeze it out of the tube. The watermelon scent is refreshing, not cloying. It's nothing like watermelon gum. And the cleanser removes the day's makeup and leaves behind a clean feeling without drying me out. So I've been using it twice a day. And that's from Nicola Dallison. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Staff writer. And you can get this at purelisse.com. You can use the code Allure Cleanser at checkout to receive 20% off full-size products. It does have a safety seal, which is awesome. The code is valid June 1st through August 31st. All right, I'm going to give this a try. I currently have a soy cleanser in my bathroom that I've been using, and I'm not loving it. So I'm going to give this a try. Okay. Next up, let's pull out this right here. This is from Yensa. It's the Super 8 Oil Lip. That's what it says. Lip oil. Sense8 lip oil, not oil lip. Come on, Jessica. Again, English language, not my friend sometimes. Not my friend sometimes. All right. Ooh, that's cute. Look at that. You guys see that? It's just like a hot pink shade. Okay. What does this say? Where is it at? All right, so this is the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. This oil has a hot pink tint that perks up your complexion, but the color is sheer. It's closer to a popsicle stain than a gloss, and it quickly dries down to a thin layer on lips without any greasiness or stickiness. It's loaded with antioxidants and moisturizers, including vitamin E, coconut, and avocado seed oil. So each time you put it on, you're also working towards smoother lips in the long run. From Cotton Codina, Senior Features Editor. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the back of my hand and see what it looks like. Maybe. There it goes. I'm not the strongest person out there. All right, let's see what this looks like when you put it. Oh, it smells like fruit. Yeah, it smells like fruit. You can barely see it, like the write-up said. I mean, you can barely see that on the back of my hand. I think you guys can see the oily spot, but it's definitely just a tint. It's not going to be giving me any real shade. So, all right, cool. Let's get the next item out here. This is the Believe in Truth, the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera. I don't think I've ever gotten the aloe vera one. It has a green tint instead of a blue tint. So that's kind of cool. What does this say? Believe the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera. When it comes to my hair, I've been slicing open an aloe vera leaf to reveal its slimy goodness as a step in my wash day routine for years. And I use the blended pulp as a soothing pre-shampoo treatment to nourish my itchy scalp and dry curls. But smoothing the gooey gel on my face, which also tends to be dry, is not as appealing. Instead, I turn to Belif's new Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera formula, an update on the brand's super popular Aqua Bomb Gel Cream. Their original beloved hydrator is still available, but this new version ups the ante with aloe extract. I apply it right after my serums but before sunscreen, and my skin is instantly dewy. When I'm staying in for the day, I like to add an extra layer for a brief at-home facial. That's from Gabriella Thorne, editorial assistant. You can get it at Sephora.com. Okay, that's kind of cool. I've never tried the aloe vera version before, so that's neat. Let's pull this out right here. This is from La Roche-Posay. All right, now this could have been one of two products. You could have gotten this one or the Shangpri Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. So this is from La Roche-Posay Active C10. There's something so satisfying about skincare in tubes you pierce open. They remind me of the prescription ointments that I used for sensitive skin growing up. To this day, anytime my olive skin is irritated, whether it's sensitivities or pimples, I wind up with dark spots. And as I've gotten older, they take longer to fade. So I use brightening treatments like this one with ascorbic acid, aka vitamin C. I use a dime-size amount all over after toner and give the hyperpigmentation on my nose and cheeks extra love. This cream absorbs quickly, and unlike some other vitamin C treatments, it doesn't sting. It also hydrates with hyaluronic acid and soothes with vitamin E. In just a few weeks, it's helped to fade my dark spots and brighten my overall complexion. From Kathleen Succo, assistant editor. You can get it at laroche-posay.us. So let me pull it out and just show you what the tube looks like. It's just like one of those metal tubes, and it does have the pointy end there to pop it open. So, all right, continuing on. This next item might be the thing that I'm most excited about in here. This is from Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. Wears just like salon gel, lasts up to 14 days, 34 strips, nail file and instructions enclosed. Now mine is a little bit bent, and I don't know if that's the nail file maybe that's bent. There's something in here that is bent, so yeah. All right, so that's cute. I like the designs in this. They're very neutral, which are kind of nice, and something that I will definitely be willing and happy to use. So that's exciting. Actually, I'm going to open this. This is from Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. And it's in the shade All Lined Up, GS54. Okay. Okay, so it's in like a little plastic-ish container. I don't know what that is. It's like a mirrorized something or other. I don't know. But it does have directions. I don't see a nail file in here, though. This says that there's a nail file. Where's the nail file? Oh! It's still in here. Yeah. Okay, Jessica. Whatever. I think the metallicized thing was just to give this something to sit against. All right. That is kind of cool. I really actually think that's cool. All right. I'm getting sidetracked and far too interested in this. When I was a beauty intern making $0, I would do an at-home manicure once a week. I got really good at applying nail stickers, and Dashing Diva was one of the first brands I tried. The gloss gel strips have lots of shine and long-lasting designs, and they're easy to apply. Just clean your nails with alcohol, then match a strip size to each nail, stick it on cuticle side first, smooth out the bubbles. You don't need a fancy tool, just use your fingertips, and file off the excess. At a glance, a coworker even assumed I'd gotten my nails done at a trendy New York City salon. Kara McGrath, deputy editor, Allure.com. The price is only $9 at dashingdiva.com. You can enter Allure at checkout to receive 20% off, one-time use from June 1st to July 31st. So, I like that. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird. I like it. That's the thing I'm most excited about. All right, the last item in here is this right here, which is kind of different. Let me look this up real quick. All right, so this is from Star Skin. It is the 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Sheet Mask. So up here it does have a little vial of oil, and then the sheet mask is down here. So it's a two-step. Sometimes it feels like every sheet mask is the same. They are all soaked in serum and easy to wear around the house, but this Star Skin mask features one big difference. The oil is naturally packed with fatty acids which help plump up even super dry skin and antioxidants. First, you apply the oil all over your face, and then you put on the sheet mask, which has niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and more camellia oil. Open up the sheet mask section before you apply the oil because your hands will be slippery. The two-step treatment will leave your skin with a pretty gleam, but I like to use the duo right before bed for softer skin the next day. And I use the extra oil in the ampoule, I don't know what that means, ampoule, as a moisturizer in the morning. And that's from Jessica Cruel. I don't know how to pronounce her name. Starskin.com, enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order from June 1st through August 1st. So, sheet mask with the extra oil on it, which is kind of cool. The nails that I am most interested in, like that is, I don't know, I like it. The aloe vera moisturizer, which is kind of cool. The vitamin C serum, the lip oil, and the cleanser. So that is my Allure box for June 2020. Overall, I'm pleased with it. I do prefer to get more makeup, which we didn't get any makeup. I mean, you got the lip oil, right? But the rest of it's all skincare, with the exception of the nails. And the nails is actually the thing that I'm most excited about. So there's that. Anyway, that is my Allure box for June 2020. Not my favorite box, but the nails did save it for me. I don't know, maybe I'm just odd. That's how I feel. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Did you get an Allure box? Is it the same as mine? I know that there was that one variation. That's one thing that I do appreciate about the Allure box, is that there's not like 50 million different versions of it. So you're not seeing other people and thinking, gee, I wish I had gotten that. You know what I mean? That's one thing that I definitely appreciate about the Allure box. I don't know that everybody appreciates that, but I certainly do. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up is always appreciated. If you haven't already and you would like to, subscribing is always appreciated as well. And any comments are always welcome in the comment section down below. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.